Hi, I'm BJ with Wicked OSHA, and today we're going to learn about the Subcontractor tab. First, let's log in to the Wicked OSHA app. Go to wickedosha.com. At the top right-hand part of the screen, click Login. When you're at the main page of the app, scroll down to Subcontractors and click it. Here, you'll find the list of subcontractors. To add a new one, click Add New. You can add a company logo right here. Fill out the company details. To utilize job description, you can put the subcontractor's set of skills or anything you deem important in that box. To add the subcontractor, click Add. And when you go back, they'll be a part of your subcontractor list. We're going to look at Jane the plumber. And you can see in the job description that she's better at residential. Here on the right-hand side, you can see any site-specific safety plans that they're a part of, any trainings they have, any certificates they have, the general liability insurance and when it expires, the workman's comp certificate and when that expires. To look at it, just click it. It'll download for you, and there it is. And finally, the agreement that you have with them as well and when it expires. We're going to look at Bill's company, and as you can see, the app will alert you so you can see when his workman's comp certificate expires, and you can catch it so it doesn't cost you in a workman's comp audit. Well, that's it for today's Wicked tutorial. Thank you.